Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Adobe Photoshop subscription, full tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Adobe Photoshop subscription, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Adobe website. Look for the sign in option at the top right corner and click on it. Enter your Adobe ID and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an Adobe account, click on Create an Account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, go to the Plans section from the menu. Select Photography Plan or whichever plan includes Photoshop, depending on your needs. Click on the Buy Now button for your chosen plan. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. After completing the purchase, go back to your account dashboard. Locate the Download section on the left-hand side of the page. Click on the Download button next to Adobe Photoshop. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Once installation is complete, open Adobe Photoshop. You will be prompted to sign in, enter your Adobe ID and password again. After signing in, your subscription will be activated. You can now start using Adobe Photoshop with full access to all its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.